Hot new, Simphiwe Ngema rapping to Dumi Masilela's track is everything. It's no secret that Dumi Masilela lives on in the heart of his wife and actress, Simz Ngema. Even though it's difficult for Simz, she's determined to continue his legacy and let the world know he's still very much the king of her heart. Last week Simz officially released one of Dumi's tracks, Up Hushiwi, which he wrote for her before his death. Simz said that doing without Dumi is tough. Simz also shared the cutest video of her rapping to another one of Dumi's tracks. Simz said, "You can't cheat on someone if you are in love with them, you just can't do it. You wouldn't even consider doing it if you can cheat on someone you claim to be in love with. You're not in love, don't waste their time, make it clear what your intentions are." Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.
Yeah.